Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the EtherMail token. Ticker symbol is EMT. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it says, EtherMail is a leading Web3 email platform, bridging the gap between Web2 and Web3 for businesses and brands. EtherMail increases reach and engagement and helps to build lasting relationships by sharing relevant content with NFTs and token holders. There is a total supply of 1 billion EMT tokens. Now, it was just announced that this token will be listed tomorrow, June 12th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search EMT, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. Now, prior to this listing going on today, they do have a Kickstarter event going on where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win USDT airdrops, and there is a very big USDT reward pool available that you guys could check out on MEXC Global as well. Now, besides that, they have an Etherscan. They're on Etherscan. They have 18 decimal places. Total supply 1 billion tokens. They have a Telegram, which has 24,000 members. 3,200 of them are online right now. That's a great place to join the discussion with other community members regarding this project. You can find it at EtherMail_official. They have a web page, ethermail.io, and they have a Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there. And you can see they have the gold verified checkmark, 109,000 Twitter followers. And yeah, so this token is also getting a central exchange listing tomorrow, it looks like, on Gate as well, which is another big central exchange. So maybe there'll be some more coming as well. You can also, looks like they do Twitter Spaces, so you can listen to them talk about the project on their Twitter. But yeah, huge Twitter following, 2,592 posts on Twitter as well. So it says the key features of the EMT token. So token rewards, you can earn EMT for actively participating in consensual marketing campaigns. And then also marketing and AI, full control over the promotional content received as AI algorithms analyze preferences to deliver content that resonates. Premium features, so access premium features and services within the EtherMail platform and unlock advanced functionalities. Also, ecosystem growth. So the EMT token is used to incentivize developers to build and integrate decentralized applications that complement and improve the platform. It has real utility. So the EMT token allows users to be rewarded for their time spent to access premium features. Also, user-based vesting. So unlocking is based on the number of real users. Redistribution of benefits. So EtherMail reinvests at least 50% of all advertisement revenues in the form of EMT to its users. So they have, it says, 320 billion emails are sent every day. You can't kill email, and that's why we've brought it over to Web3. It says, dive into an email experience that values your privacy and turns your attention into an asset. So, embrace the marketing paradigm. Your inbox, your rules. Gone are the days of cluttered inboxes and irrelevant ads. EtherMail is pioneering a new era of email marketing, one that respects your privacy and values your time. Our unique platform empowers users to control what they see and earn from promotional content. We're flipping the script, offering a win-win for both users and advertisers. With EtherMail, engage with what matters to you and transform your inbox into a secure and passive income. So they have over 1 million verified EtherMail accounts already. Over 100 Web3 communities using EtherMail as primary communication channel. It says the core of EtherMail, the Web3 email inbox, a blockchain synced real-time information directly into your inbox, anonymous, smart, and secure. Brand new features tailored for you. Discover user-inspired innovations at EtherMail. They have the mobile app. Access your Web3 inbox anywhere, anytime. Our platform is designed for both desktop and mobile use. So also email as a wallet. Innovative convergence of email and wallet. Discover simplicity with our email as a wallet feature. They have PayMail. Sending tokens or NFTs is a breeze with PayMail. A two-step verification process, including a zero gas fee test transaction, ensures secure and error-free transfers. Say goodbye to double spending and gas fees forever. So they'll have all sorts of cool features on here. All their investors and backers are listed on here. They have a bug bounty program, affiliate program, jobs, contact, frequently asked questions. They have a LinkedIn, Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram, all linked on their webpage, ethermail.io. They're getting a brand new gate listing tomorrow, and they're going to be listed on MEXC Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.